it's Courtney and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button right down below here and also turn on that little bell for the post notifications when I post new videos. So for today's video, I'm giving you guys a huge makeup haul as well as unboxing my September Boxycharm. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription service that is $21 a month, and they send you about 4 to 6 different high-end, full-size makeup products every single month. It is an amazing subscription service, and I will have everything linked about it down below. And I also posted a video last month in August about that box, so you can get another idea of what this whole subscription service is all about in case you guys want to subscribe. So I guess I will start this video out by unboxing my Boxycharm for the month, and then I will go into haul the other makeup products that I got. So this is my September Boxycharm box. Every month they all look like this. So when I open it up, it just has this little pamphlet on the inside, and it has coupons for offers for the month, as well as telling you what this month's box is called, and it's called the Wildflower box. And then inside it just goes over the different products inside this box as well as their values to these products. So the first thing I see when I open up this box is a liquid lipstick by Hank & Harry, and it is in the color Petal Pusher. It is a matte liquid lipstick. I always have to smell anything, but it actually smells like really good. I've never actually used anything by this brand too, so that's pretty cool. That's like the awesome thing about this subscription service. Like, I get to try tons of new brands that I might not have tried before. So this is what the color looks like on my hand as a swatch, and here's this as well. So on the pamphlet it says that this liquid lipstick runs for $17. So every month these boxes are you get over $100 value. Sometimes it's even higher than that, so that's really awesome. Okay, so the next thing is this Laura Geller New York Baked Blush and Brighten in the color Tropic Hues, and it looks just like that. It's really pretty. I actually have another one of these that I had gotten last year around Christmas time, and I already know I really like her blushes, so this is another great color. So the next thing in the box are these 3 brushes, and they're all eye brushes. They're by the brand Alamar, and they actually had an eyeshadow palette, I think 2 months back, by this brand, so it's really cool that I get to try some of their brushes as well. There's 2 flat brushes, and this one's probably really good for like doing like liner under eye, and then a nice fluffy crease brush as well. So these are really cool and they'll be fun to try out. Oh, and those brushes, the brushes run for $18, and then the blush runs for $28. So you're already seeing how it racks up. You're only paying $21 for this entire box, so like that's an awesome deal. The next thing in the box is this Butter London Glazing Lustrous Liner in the color Disco, and it just looks like this. And then this is just like the little liquid liner. Oh, there's actually some little silver sparkles in that, so that's pretty cool. So it's not just your basic black liner. That's pretty cool. And that liner goes for $19. I actually really like Butter London stuff. I have a couple of their products. I really like their mascara and some of they have like a gel shadow. It's really pretty. And the last thing in this month's Boxycharm is this Nightingale palette by Pretty Vulgar. Ooh, look at all those colors. Like, this is the amazing thing about the subscription service. You get all of these eyeshadows. Last month I had an eyeshadow palette as well. I pretty much get an eyeshadow palette every month for $21. This eyeshadow palette is worth $35. This is over your box's worth, which is amazing. Look at all these colors. And the cool thing about this month's box is these are all neutral colors. Okay, last month was really bright colors, which was cool and everything, but I'm not gonna wear those every day. And this month is neutral. So, and it has a mirror, so that's a really nice perk as well. I'm super excited to try this out because this literally has all your like highlighting shades and base shades, transition shades, and then it also has your crease shades at the bottom, so that's really cool. I can't wait to try that out. So that is everything in this month's Boxycharm for September. So now I'm going to be going into my hauled items of pretty much I went on a huge makeup spree this week, along with getting this box in the mail this week. I don't know what was up with me, but I just was buying my makeup like crazy this week. So if you don't know, Ulta is currently having their 21 days of beauty. So basically every day they have like a couple products that are half off and they're all high end. So I like typically keep an eye on what products are going on for each day and whatnot. And the one product that I've been really looking forward, because they had done it last time in their 21 Days of Beauty, is this Derma Blend Professional Loose Setting Powder in the color Original. So it is just a white loose setting powder. It looks like this. This is absolutely amazing. It is an awesome under eye setting powder. I tried the NYX one like a few weeks back and I hated it. I mean, it made me sneeze as soon as I put it on my face. I could not use it. So this is the one that I absolutely love, and I highly recommend it. It was only $13.50 the other day at Ulta, and it was half off. So it's typically $26, I think. I'm pretty sure it was half off. So yeah, this is absolutely amazing. I highly recommend this loose powder. There is so many good things to say about it, but it works really, really well. And the last thing that I got at Ulta is this NYX brow pencil in the color Taupe, and it just looks like this. It's just your typical, you know, brow pencil. And the thing I really like about it is it has a little spoolie on the other end, but I really just needed a new brow pencil, and I didn't want to spend a ton of money on it either, because I don't know about you, but brow pencils, I go through them like crazy, and spending $20-some every couple weeks is not really what I want to do, because if I'm just gonna have to buy another one in a few weeks, like they barely put anything in these, and this was only $6. So far I really like it. I actually have it on right now. I highly recommend. So go check this one out. So actually, before I started filming this video, I went to go make a return at Boxycharm, and I accidentally started spending more money. So basically, I used to work there, and I used to work at their Clinique counter, and when I walked in, Clinique was in gift, so I kind of made a few purchases. Whoops. So the first thing that I saw, that I was like, well, I'm gonna get this, and then, you know, how to buy more so I could get the gift, you know, make it all work it out. So I got this little kit right here, and it has my favorite liquid eyeliner in it, which is their Pretty Easy liquid eyelining pen in black. It also comes with a quick liner for eyes, intense, and I'm pretty sure that is in black. Oh yeah, it's an intense black. And then it comes with their lash building primer, as well as their high impact mascara, which their high impact mascara isn't my like actual favorite one, but I only spent $22 on this little kit, and it came with all that stuff. I'm not gonna complain. I mean, hey, it's another mascara that I can use. So here's the little mascara. So it's like actually more of like a travel size one, which I'm fine with, you know. I said it's not my favorite one, so I'm okay with that. And then it comes with one of their lash building primers. I think I've tried this one before. I use a lash primer. I typically use Lancome's, but hey, I'm not gonna complain, because the big thing that I wanted in here was the liquid liner, because I love that, and they never put the liquid liner in this. Yeah, like this is a full size quick liner for eyes, which, I mean, their pencils, like quick liners and stuff, they're not my favorite, but it'll do. They're pretty soft and creamy, but the problem is they do dry out like after a couple months of opening it. So that is my only complaint about those. Yeah, this is full size, and I absolutely love this liquid liner. Like, I know I just got the Butter London one, but you know, a girl can never have too much eyeliner. Not gonna complain there. But yeah, like now that I don't work for Clinique anymore, like I can give you guys like my true, like honest opinion on things, which is really nice. But I absolutely love Clinique. I think their products are really amazing for the price, and you get a really good quality. They always have good deals going on with them as well. So I do highly recommend the brand, but I am able to say now, like, I've tested all of their products. I know what I like and I know what I don't like. So the next thing that I purchased from them, though, because I had to spend a little extra money so I could get the gift then, was I got this Clinique Pop Liquid Matte Liquid Lipstick that has a lip color and primer in it, and I got it in Cake Pop. So this was, when I had worked there, this was my absolute favorite matte liquid lipstick. I mean, this liquid lipstick is so pretty. Let me like swatch it for you. It is so creamy. It doesn't dry your lips out, because the one thing I noticed about their lipsticks there is that they do dry my lips out a bit. So this doesn't. So you can see right there, it is such a pretty color, and it's matte, and yeah, girl, I love this. If you need like a light pinky nude colored liquid lipstick, whatever. Highly recommend this one. This is really, really pretty. So, you know, I said I had to get the gift there at Clinique. So we might as well go through that then too. So they get this cute bag. You know, girl can never have too many makeup bags, honestly though. Like, I have, here, I'll show you. I have this one from a past Clinique gift from when I had worked there. I mean, like, I literally use their makeup bag. Whoa. Okay. I literally use these makeup bags all the time. You know, I throw them in my purse real quick, whatever. We got their rinse off foaming cleanser. So the rinse off foaming cleanser is good to take off your makeup. Well, yeah, that's pretty much what it is. It's just a rinse off makeup remover. It's pretty nice. I have a couple of these mini travel size bottles that I still haven't used from when I worked there. But this is pretty cool that I have more, and I do like this one a lot. The next thing is their dramatically different moisturizing lotion, and let me tell you, I have so much of the dramatically different moisturizing lotion, and I only use this in the winter because I have combo skin, and in the summer I'm a lot more oily, so I typically use the gel, but I will use this in the winter when the heat's on and whatnot. So now for the stuff that I actually got to, like, you know, pick for my little bag. Oh, I got another one. This I didn't pick, but I got another one of those high impact mascaras. So got 2 of those, you know. I'm gonna have a ton of these. I literally probably have six over in my makeup, like, stuff because I just have so many from when I worked there. And, like, literally we would get these all the time, so there's more. Okay. The next thing is Strawberry Fudge eyeshadow duo. So this is my, oh, I'll take that little thing out. This is my favorite color duo that Clinique has. This light pink color here, let me tell you, so pretty. Oops, wrong way. Look at that shimmer in there. It's like a peachy gold, and like when you look at it in the palette, you're probably not gonna be able to tell. It looks super pink, okay? It's like a gold peach color. It's really, really pretty. Highly recommend this. I actually have another one of these in my vanity, but girl, I like this one a lot, so I'm not gonna complain. And the next thing, of course, another one of these, another intense black quick liner for eyes, you know, my second one for the day. Oh well, you know, gonna have tons of eyeliner. And the last thing is this Chubby Stick. It's a moisturizing lip balm in the color strawberry, super strawberry. Ooh, it's just like a light one. It's like kind of pretty. You know, they're just a moisturizing balm, so that's pretty cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys would like me to do a tutorial with all this makeup that I just got. If you guys have any requests for any new videos that you'd like me to do, let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up to let me know that you liked it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!